Hey folks, it's Paul Hammond from Selecta-Speed here today to talk about our wiper kits that we offer for a lot of different applications. The newest one we have introduced is for the square body pickup trucks, Chevy trucks. Basically what we're doing is we're adding a modern wiper system to an older vehicle. When I say a modern system, it has 5 delay speeds, a low speed, a high speed, and now a washer feature built in for the customers that want to activate the washer as well. It's an option. There is a different a pump that can be attached to the wiring harness. They're very easy kits to install. They mount just as a factory does. The motors are different. They're much more modern motor. All the hardware for that you would use on your wiper blades and the arms attach right to the motor, so all that's factory. That doesn't change. What we do is we include a module with each kit. It's a plug and play. The wiring's already set up, so all you have to do is mount this and plug it in. The only wiring involved with it is the hot and the cold. So you just have to wire that in as you would anything else. The washer feature is there. If it's not used, you just bundle it up, keep it underneath the dash, and it just is along for the ride. If you want to activate a washer pump, it does come with a grommet for the pass-through and the firewall, and then it will just plug in to our kit, or you can use a kit that you may already have. This particular model does come with a new LED light. The way the factories were, this bolts right in, so it looks factory. The difference is that it does have a period correct knob. Each application is different. This particular one looks like this, but rather than sliding it like you do the factory, you twist it. And that's your first low speed intermittent wipe. And then as you go a little further, they get less and less time between them, so they activate quicker. If you want to use your washer feature, just like a modern car, you would push it and hold it. It will spray onto the windshield. When you release, the motor will go into a 3 low-speed wipe, and then it will return to what it was doing, just like a modern setup. So check them out. They're, like I said, they're very easy kits to do. We do for a lot of the 60s cars and 70s cars as well, and now the 80s, including these trucks.